Today, we're diving deep into the pricing structure of Rocket Lawyer, breaking down their membership options, individual service costs, and exactly what you get for your money. We'll explore who stands to benefit most from their offerings and help you determine if Rocket Lawyer is the right legal solution for your specific situation. Let's start with the core of Rocket Lawyer's offering. Its membership. This is where you unlock the most value and flexibility. Rocket Lawyer primarily operates on a subscription model, providing ongoing legal support and resources. There are generally two main membership tiers to consider. First, you have the Rocket Legal membership, which is typically billed monthly. The common price point for this is around $39.99 per month. What does this monthly fee get you? A significant amount, actually. You gain unlimited access to their vast library of legal documents, allowing you to create, customize, and download contracts, agreements, and forms for a wide range of personal and business needs. Think landlord-tenant leases, employment contracts, non-disclosure agreements, wills, power of attorney forms. The list goes on. Beyond documents, this membership also includes unlimited Ask a Lawyer questions, where you can submit legal inquiries online and typically receive a response from a qualified attorney within one business day. This can be incredibly valuable for quick clarifications or guidance without the need for a full consultation. You also get unlimited electronic signatures through their RocketSign service, which is a convenient feature for finalizing your documents securely online. Finally, a key benefit of this membership is what they call Document Defend, which provides assistance if someone challenges the validity of a document you created using their platform. Now, if you're looking for even more savings and enhanced benefits, there's the Rocket Legal Plus membership. This tier is usually billed annually and offers a significant discount compared to the monthly Rocket Legal plan. While the monthly equivalent of the Rocket Legal Plus plan would be about $19.99 per month, it's typically billed annually at $239.88. This means you're effectively getting the service at half the cost of the monthly plan if you commit for a year. The Rocket Legal Plus membership includes all the benefits of the Rocket Legal plan: unlimited documents, Ask a Lawyer questions, RocketSign, and Document Defense, but it adds substantial discounts on more hands-on professional services. For instance, your first business registration, whether it's an LLC, corporation, or nonprofit, is often free with this membership, excluding state filing fees. This can be a huge cost saver if you're looking to officially establish a new business. Additionally, Rocket Legal Plus members receive up to half off on various professional services, such as registered agent services, trademark and copyright registrations, and even tax preparation and filing by a Rocket Lawyer tax pro. You also get discounted rates if you need to retain a lawyer for more complex legal matters, often around 40% off their usual hourly rates or a percentage off flat fees. So when does a membership make sense? If you anticipate needing multiple legal documents throughout the year, frequent legal questions, or plan to start a new business, a Rocket Lawyer membership, especially the annual Rocket Legal Plus plan, offers substantial value. It consolidates many common legal needs into a predictable, affordable monthly or annual fee, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars compared to traditional attorney fees. But what if you only have a one-off legal need? Maybe you just need a single contract or a quick answer to a specific question, and you don't foresee recurring legal needs. Rocket Lawyer does offer individual services without a membership, but as you might expect, these come at a higher price point. For example, creating a single legal document as a non-member typically costs around $39.99 per document. Asking a single legal question through their Ask a Lawyer service can be around $49.99. A 30-minute consultation with an attorney, if you're not a member, might set you back around $59.99. Business formation services like forming an LLC without a membership usually cost around $99.99, plus the state filing fees. Registered agent services, which are often required for businesses, can be about $249.99 per year if you're not a member, compared to a discounted rate for members. It becomes quite clear that while individual services are available, they are priced to encourage membership. The value proposition of the subscription is significantly higher if you have more than one or two basic legal needs. Let's talk about the free trial. Rocket Lawyer often offers a 7-day free trial. This is a great way to explore the platform, create some documents, and even ask a lawyer one question to get a feel for the service. However, it's crucial to remember that this trial often requires you to provide credit card information upfront. If you don't cancel before the trial period ends, you'll automatically be enrolled into the monthly Rocket Legal membership. So, if you're just looking for a one-time document and want to utilize the free trial, make sure to set a reminder to cancel if you don't intend to continue with the subscription. When comparing Rocket Lawyer to traditional legal services, the cost difference is stark. Attorneys typically charge anywhere from $200 to $500 per hour, sometimes even more, depending on their specialization and location. Drafting a single complex contract could easily run into hundreds or thousands of dollars. Rocket Lawyer, with its flat monthly or annual fee, dramatically reduces this overhead, making legal assistance accessible to a much broader audience. However, it's also important to manage expectations. While Rocket Lawyer provides excellent resources for common legal situations and general advice, it's not a substitute for retaining a dedicated attorney for highly complex, nuanced, or litigious matters. If you're facing a court case, a highly specialized legal issue, or a situation that requires extensive negotiation and representation, a traditional lawyer will likely be your best bet. Rocket Lawyer's strength lies in its ability to empower individuals and small businesses to handle many routine legal tasks themselves, with the backing of professional legal guidance when needed. In summary, Rocket Lawyer offers a tiered pricing structure designed to provide the most value to its members. The monthly Rocket Legal membership at roughly $39.99 gives you extensive document access, online lawyer questions, and e-signatures. The annual Rocket Legal Plus membership, at around $239.88 per year, effectively $19.99 per month, builds on that with substantial discounts on professional services like business registration, registered agent services, and even tax preparation, making it a compelling option for those with ongoing business or personal legal needs. While individual services are available without a membership, they are significantly more expensive, encouraging users to opt for the subscription model. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.